In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete download history on Google Chrome. This is a quick and useful task to know, especially if you want to keep your browsing activity more private or clear out old records from your browser. Google Chrome stores a history of your downloads, and you can remove that information through the browser settings in just a few moments. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the menu without any delay. If Chrome is already open, you can simply move to the top right area of the window. Once you are in Chrome, click the three dots in the upper right corner. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you will find several browser options and settings. Take your time here and look through the list carefully so you can select the correct option. From that menu, choose Delete Browsing Data. This will open the Browsing Data window, where Chrome gives you the option to remove different types of saved activity. This section is where you manage things like your browsing history, cached files, cookies, and other stored information. If your goal is to clear your download history, this is the place to do it. When this window appears, review the available categories and time range options so you can make sure you are deleting the data you want. In many cases, download history is grouped with the browser history settings, so it is a good idea to check the selections before confirming anything. This helps prevent removing data you may want to keep, such as saved sign-ins or other browsing information. If you want a more complete cleanup, you can also look through the advanced settings in the same area. However, if your main focus is just removing download history, stay focused on the browsing data options related to history and proceed carefully. After you have selected the appropriate settings, Chrome will remove the stored download history from the browser. Keep in mind that this clears the record inside Chrome, but it does not delete the actual files you downloaded from your computer. If you also want to remove those files, you will need to delete them separately from your Downloads folder. That covers everything you need to know.